Hey Dean, I'm going to show you guys how to install the drop sensors in the Dixie Narco Bevmax. First thing you're going to do is come in and turn off the power to the machine, which is the right side plug inside on the bottom. Next thing you're going to do is come in and remove this bottom drop tray. Just simply slides out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this plastic light guard on the side. Simply use either a Phillips head screwdriver or I use a drill. Come in, remove all the screws, top to bottom. What this does is let you gain access to where the drop sensor sits. And simply pop it off. Set it off to the side. And now down below, you're going to see below the light, you're going to see a round opening. Okay, the drop sensor in this machine is already in. I'm going to remove it and then show you how to install it. You need to take off these plugs here. And then it simply slides through. Okay, there's two drop sensors in here. There's one right here and then there's one down here. Okay, across from each of the drop sensors is going to be reflective tape here and down here. The object is to get the sensor to align to the tape so it reflects back and forth. When you receive the drop sensors, you're going to see on the control board inside that there's two plugs right here. It's a red control board at the top. You need to unplug both of them. Okay, and the drop sensors plug in there, then you run the wires down and you simply take, when you get the drop sensor, insert it into the hole like so. Put the caps back on. Tighten them down a little ways so they're protruding a little bit. And then on the back side, there's more caps that plug in to align the drop sensor. What you want to do is align this so it's flush with the face of the machine side of the machine. Simply screw it back into place. And what you want to do now is plug the machine back in, and we're going to do some adjusting. Okay? You're going to hear everything turn on. Follow the light, make sure it's reflecting off the tape back to the drop sensor, back and forth. You'll be able to see the red light on that side. If you take your hand over it, it'll start to beep because it can't feel it. Now this one's off to the side a little bit. What you want to do is you want to take this, loosen it, and adjust these two cams on the inside so it'll line up and be straight across. You know, what you do is you get this, get it to line up, and then retighten it. Should be almost centered on the reflective tape, so it'll read itself back and forth. And there's 2 drop sensors. If you see on the inside, there's one here and there's one down below. It doesn't matter where the plugs go for the drop sensors in that board, either the top or the bottom plugs, and you're good to go. Thank you.